Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can create a custom call backgrounds for people on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, open up the phone app. In here, tap on Contacts tab at the bottom. Then in the contacts list, go down and select a contact. So here I'm going to open up the IT Jungle's contact and then tap on the information button. Next in here, tap on Edit. Then tap on View Mode to expand the menu. In here we go down and tap on Call Background. Then tap on Background. Now in here, choose a background that you want to use. You can also tap on the Add button and then tap on Select from Gallery. In here you can select a background. Then you can also zoom or move the background image to where you want it. Then tap on Set as Call Background. Then tap on Saved. And that's it. So whenever you receive an incoming call from a particular contact, their specific background will be displayed on the call. So here I'm going to give myself a call. You can see that there will be a specific background just for that contact. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.